MacArthur once said, there's no atheist in the foxhole. Walang atheist sa foxhole. Why?
Okay.
Because they experience near-death situation. Eh. And as a fighter, it's very important to have God. Kasi you will experience fear, pain, suffering in the sauna, and if you don't believe in God, you will break eh. Asa ka lang sa sarili mo when you're dying in the cat rate, wala kang kakausapin, hindi mo kakausapin yung Panginoon. That's the reason why sabi nga ni, it's very hard to be an atheist if you're a fighter. Kaya most of the fighters are Muslims or Christians. That's the reason. So it helps me because I believe in the living God, which is Jesus Christ. He is my Savior. He died on the cross and rose back from the dead after 3 days, and I believe history is saying that and the Bible is saying that, and I believe that, and I'm not afraid of anyone. That's my answer.